Doctor's appointment.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. Please have a seat. What symptoms have you been experiencing?
Hi, doctor. I've had this dry cough for about 2 weeks now, and I feel really tired even after sleeping.
Any fever, chills, or night sweats?
Low-grade fever in the evening sometimes, no chills.
Shortness of breath or chest pain?
No chest pain, and breathing is mostly fine except when coughing hard.
Let me check your temperature. 98.9. Normal. Now I'll listen to your lungs. Please take deep breaths.
Okay,
A little congestion in the lower lobes. Have you been around anyone sick recently?
yes, both kids had colds a couple weeks ago. Probably caught it from them.
That's common. Any sore throat or runny nose still?
Nose is clear now. Throat was sore at the beginning.
Sounds like a lingering viral infection. I'll prescribe a short course of antibiotics in case it's bacterial, plus rest and lots of fluids. Over-the-counter cough syrup with dextromethorphan should help.
How long until I'm back to normal?
Most people improve within a few days on treatment. If no better in a week or if fever spikes, come back.
Will do. Should I stay home from work?
Yes, at least until the cough calms down. Get plenty of rest.
Thanks for the advice, doctor.
Of course. Take care.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Oh my gosh, this restaurant is so cute. I love the ambiance. What are you thinking of ordering?
Definitely the pasta carbonara. It's creamy and has bacon. Total comfort food. How about you?
I'm going for the grilled salmon with seasonal vegetables. Trying to be good after all those holiday cookies.
Smart. We deserve appetizers, though. The bruschetta looks incredible. Tomatoes, basil, balsamic.
Yes, let's share that. And maybe calamari too. I'm feeling indulgent.
Perfect. What about drinks? A bottle of white wine to share?
Sauvignon Blanc, please. It pairs well with seafood. Excuse me, waiter.
Good evening, ladies. Are you ready to order or need more time?
We're ready. We'll start with bruschetta and fried calamari, then grilled salmon with vegetables for me and carbonara for my friend. Plus a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc.
Excellent choices. Would you like still or sparkling water?
Sparkling, please. Any bread basket included?
Yes, complimentary. Any allergies or dietary preferences I should note?
No allergies, thank you. We're all good.
This is exactly what I needed. Good food and great company.
Totally. Work has been crazy. We should do girls' nights more often.
Absolutely. Next time, maybe Italian again, or try that new sushi place.
Deal. Oh, dessert later? Tiramisu sounds heavenly.
Always room for dessert.
Library visit.
Finally made it to the library. I've got 3 books overdue. Got to return them before fines kick in.
Same here. I'm looking for new sci-fi. Any recommendations?
Let's ask the librarian. Excuse me, could you suggest some good recent science fiction novels?
Absolutely. Have you read Dune or the classics?
Loved Dune years ago. Looking for something more current.
Try Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. It's adventurous and scientific. Or the Three Body Problem series if you want hard sci-fi.
Project Hail. Mary sounds fun. I'll check that out. Do you have it available?
Yes, several copies. Also, Expeditionary Force series is popular for humor and space battles.
I'll take the first Project Hail Mary and maybe the first Expeditionary Force.
Cool. Hey, are the quiet study rooms free upstairs?
2 are open right now. Just sign in at the desk.
Perfect. We can read a bit after checking out.
Thanks so much for the suggestions.
My pleasure. Enjoy your books.
Man, I forgot how peaceful libraries are. No distractions.
Exactly. Let's grab those books and find a spot.
Then coffee after?
Definitely.
Grocery shopping.
Honey, let's make this quick. We need milk, eggs, bread, fresh vegetables, fruit, and something for dinner tonight. Can you grab the milk from the dairy section while I head to produce for tomatoes and lettuce?
Sure thing. Whole milk or low fat like last time?
Low fat. Definitely. The kids have been drinking more lately. Oh, and pick up some Greek yogurt. Strawberry flavor for them and plain for us.
Got it. Hey, look at these apples. They're on sale, nice and crisp. Should we get a bag?
Yes, Granny Smith apples. They're perfect for baking and snacks. What do you think about chicken for dinner? Maybe grilled with some herbs.
Sounds delicious. There's a good deal on organic chicken breasts over here. Let's take 2 packs.
Perfect. We're almost out of cereal, too. The kids keep asking for that chocolate one, but I'd rather get something healthier.
How about we compromise? 1 box of the sugary stuff and 1 box of oats or multigrain.
Deal. That way everyone's happy. Don't forget toilet paper and paper towels. We're running low.
Already tossed them in the cart. What about cheese? Cheddar for sandwiches.
Yes, sharp cheddar. And some mozzarella for pizza night this weekend.
Good call. I think we have pasta at home. Bananas too. They look ripe.
Grab a bunch. Okay, let's see the list again. Snacks? Maybe some nuts or granola bars.
Almonds are healthy. I'll get those. Total should still be reasonable if we avoid impulse buys.
You're right. No candy aisle today. Let's head to checkout.
Great teamwork as always.
Visiting the bank.
Hi there. I'd like to open a new savings account and deposit this check for $2,000.
No problem, sir. To get started, I'll need your ID, social security number, and proof of address if it's not on the ID.
Here's my driver's license and a recent utility bill. The check is from my freelance work.
Thank you. We have several savings options. The high-yield account currently offers 4.5% interest with no monthly fees if you maintain a $500 minimum.
That sounds ideal. I want something easy to access but with good growth.
Perfect choice. It also comes with online banking and mobile deposits. Do you want a debit card linked?
Yes, please. And overdraft protection if possible.
We can set that up from your checking account. Let me enter your information. Okay, account is created. Here's your new account number.
Great. Can I transfer some money from my existing checking later online?
Absolutely, instantly once you log in. The debit card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days.
One more thing. What are the withdrawal limits?
6 free per month and small fees. But most people don't hit that.
Good to know. Thanks for walking me through everything.
My pleasure. Here's your deposit receipt and temporary info. Anything else today?
Nope. That's all. Have a wonderful day.
You too, sir.